the CAD animation and 3 other of the major animation programs that they're using right now in Hollywood are on it. There's a number of programs, but I don't know what they are, you know what I mean?
Baby loose.
So yeah, from what I understand, the AutoCAD animator was the one that Pixar uses.
Amy would probably be more interested in that. Did you know that Amy's in the credits of Cars too?
I heard you say something about that, yeah.
She was a project leader.
Is she in school?
She graduated.
She graduated. So she still has, an education, CGU email?
I'm not sure.
She does. As long as you have email, you can use the stuff for free.
She's got her bachelor's right now, so I don't know if she still has one.
Where'd she go?
College of Creative Studies, Detroit.
A lot of them keep your email for you as long as you keep it up as a alumni.
Yeah. Hey, don't you want down? You keep buttoning it. Do you want down? Salem. Pita. Leave her be. Still in the chair. You want down?
Picture of the obstacle